Day 30 in the journal Journey of Learning. I wanted to take just a little bit of time to show some of the information that we're collecting in our Syslog server. And as you can see, I have it set for 12 hours. I want to see everything that's taken place in the past 12 hours. I want this to auto fresh every 5 seconds. And as you can see, we have quite a bit of information here. We have 151 messages from our network. And so you have the date and time here. You have the IP address or the originator ID, the originator name. I do wish that the originator name was the actual device name. That would be very helpful. I'm going to take a look to see if I can um, do something to adjust that. Here's the severity. Some messages we have here are just notices, others are errors, and they're in red to let us know, hey, this is something you really need to take a look at. Oh, we just had an update here at 10. Another one we have, and as you can see here, we have a neighbor change in EIGRP, and you can click you could click either one and you would have the information here, which is probably more legible for you sometimes. um, and let's just scroll down and see what we have. We have informational, we have warnings, we have errors. So a lot of good information here. We have IP addresses of our devices. Remember what I talked about regarding facility. Facility 1 is designated for what? Routers. It would be nice if you could do an alias instead of just local 1. If it's a facility, and then um, maybe you could have an alias that says router, so you would know immediately this is a router. This is the type of device we're talking about. Otherwise, you have to try to decode your IP addresses, or if you could change the originator name to an alias as well, to the actual name of the device. There's one device that did come through with the name, and I'll show you that in a minute. But okay, so local 1 is for our switch, remember? And this is easy to remember. But what if it was someone who doesn't, who did not configure this? Well, how would they know? So it'd be good to be able to change originator name and facility so that anyone can look at this and know. And here we have local 2, which is what? Everything wireless. Um, this is the only thing that came through with the actual name. So, but it's here. So, and so again, we are collecting this information, and it's going to be very useful for some things, some projects we want to do in the future. Um, and this could be very important to businesses as well as IT staff, so that they can make proper um, decisions and plan for the present and the future. You can see what's going on with your network and start working on some of these things, validating and working to resolve these things, and help make the network more resilient, more available, more reliable, as well as also initiate some alerts. So maybe something happens and you use this information to um, generate an alert to your staff so that they can begin look at it immediately and therefore resolve it as quickly as possible. Thank you all for viewing, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.